Hello, my fire signs. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner, either by sharing some information or by giving the messages from the tarot card reading. So this is the reading for fire signs Aries, Leo and Sagittarius for 12/12 to 21/12 portal 2021 reading. Okay, as you all know, the portal is very important for each of us, and let's start and let's see what this portal is bringing, the fire signs, messages and the energies. Okay, so this is the reading for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius from 12 December to 21/12 portal 2021 reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading and let's see what this portal is bringing for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for 12/12 to 21/12 portal reading 2021, which is important to deliver. Give me the important messages which are important to deliver for fire signs. Okay, for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What is the message for fire signs? Please give me the message for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow. Okay, so there is a soulmate which is coming up for you. This portal is bringing you soulmate, peace. Okay, observer. Okay, so this is beautiful energy, a beautiful start, I can say. Okay, so right now you have to see the perspective from a different perspective, from a higher perspective. Be the observer, not a participant here. Okay, fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Most people, they see the world through the personal lens. Okay, so you have to see the neutral observation from a distance. So whatever situation right now this happening in your life, see the picture from a different perspective, as an observer, not a participant. Okay, so observer is a message here. There is a peace which is coming up for you. Okay, so peace is coming up for you here. Maybe you can see feathers around yourself. Okay, angel feathers, white feathers around yourself here, and there is a soulmate which is coming up for you. So this portal is bringing you the soulmate, and this is very beautiful message, beautiful start here. Okay, and 555 or 505 or 5 number is important for you, and 5 is all about changes. Okay, so let's see. Please give me the messages for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please give me the message for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Beautiful reading, beautiful start, I can say. Right now you have to keep the patience. Okay, there is door to romance which is opening up here for you. One more message for fire sign. No, they say no. But bottom of the deck, I am having angel of love. Love is coming for you, fire signs. This is very beautiful reading, beautiful start here. Okay, so door to romance is opening up. There is lot of love which is coming up for you. There is angel of love who is here for you to give you lots of love. Maybe you are feeling lot of love too, but right now you have to keep the patience, have patience. Okay, so let's see what is the message from Secret Forest Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me the messages for fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Bluebell fairy gratitude. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Pay gratitude to the universe, pay gratitude to the divine for the beautiful things they are providing you, okay, in the life. Always feel blessed and thankful to all those things which you are having in your life. So there is a bluebell fairy saying you to pay gratitude here. Okay, so let me add message from the Krishna consciousness. Please give me the message. Patience message is coming here again. All your actions will be rewarded and love will be followed, but right now you have to have patience. Okay, have patience, the rewards are coming. Okay, whatever actions you are taking, that actions will get the reward, but right now you have to keep your patience. Okay, your temperance, your patience here. Let go of all that has happened. The bad times will also surely go. Complete destruction always leave behind the seeds of regrowth and regeneration. Whatever tough times you are going through right now in your life, okay, you should know that whatever destruction has happened in your life, whatever tough times you are going through, these are the times when you will get the seeds of regrowth and regeneration. Okay, so you have to let go that. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the gateway. Be in the flow. Okay, I am the flow of the universe. That means be in the flow means just go with the flow. Let go of any control issues, that why this is not happening in my life. I am putting all the efforts and energy, but still it is not manifesting. So you have to keep your patience, because thing will manifest, the love will manifest in your life, but according to the divine timing, according to the universe. So just be the observer here, see the picture from a higher perspective here. Be in the flow of water. Okay, be in the flow of the universe. Just go with the flow, because things are coming in your way, beautiful things are coming in your way, I can say that. Okay, so let me add one message from the Chinese fortune reading. Please give me messages for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Beautiful reading. Okay. Please give me the message for fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aries, Leo and Sagittarius here? Freedom. Again, number 5. Number 5 is important for you here. And change, number 5 quality is that change comes with the destruction. Okay, number 5 does the destruction first, then the change occurs. Okay, and that change is always beautiful. Okay, but first of all, the destruction happens. Okay, things get messed up and you will see that what is happening in my life, why this is happening, but there is a change which is coming up, and this tough times, these challenges are making you free. The freedom of your soul, the freedom of your soul is coming. Basically this portal is bringing the freedom of your soul. So let me add one message from the Chakra Insight Oracle deck. Please give me the message for the fire signs. Okay, some cards are not correct. Okay, now they are right. Okay, please give me the messages for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please give me the one One message, please give me one message. Emotions, feeling, expression, moods, and balance, insight, understanding, awakening, awareness, and self-evolution. Your third eye is getting activated. This portal is making your third eye activations, and because of that, you are now making understanding that why this is happening. Your awakening is happening. You're becoming aware, and you are doing the self-evolution inside. You're going through the inside of the solution, inside of the picture. You are becoming the observer, because now you are seeing the picture from a different perspective, from the higher perspective, because your third eye is getting activated here. So this is powerful message here. Next, the message is emotions. Whatever emotions you are facing right now, you have to create a balance here, okay? And this is the sacral chakra. Your sacral chakra is also getting activated here, and because of that, you are going to create a balance between all the moods, all the emotions of your life here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Whispers of Love. Wow, this is very powerful and very beautiful reading here for fire signs. Okay, the true love, this love is once in a lifetime, and that's true. The soulmate love, 11:22 is a recording reading time. There's a true love which is coming up for you at the divine timing. This portal is bringing you a soulmate, the true love. This love is very beautiful, which is coming up for you here. Okay, so get ready, fire signs. This love is once in a lifetime, so get ready for this love. I can say that, okay? So there is a soulmate which is coming up for you, basically. This portal is bringing you the soulmate. I love it. Okay, so let me add one message from the Whispers of Ganesha. Please, Ganesha, give me the messages for the fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What is the message you want me to deliver for fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? Priorities. Okay. Make the most of your times. Okay, fire sign, every day is a gift, and you have the option to make the most of what life is offering you. If you long to create an organization in your life, you will benefit from prioritizing. You have to make the priorities, that what are your priorities. Okay, you have to make each major decision, such as education, occupation, place of residence, marriage, parenting. But you have to ask yourself, you may ask yourself that what will be the impact of your decision, and in your all choices, make sure that you are certain of what your priorities is. Okay, so this is the message that Ganesha is encouraging you to know, that what you truly want, what makes you happy. There are always blessings that may not appear in the mindset of a disappointment. When you feel disappointment, you will not feel the blessings, you will not feel the presence of beautiful things which are around yourself. So make the priorities here, okay, of what you want. And the second message is enlightenment. This is the crown chakra activation, so your crown chakra activation is also happening here. So this is beautiful. Now let's see what is healing, what this portal is bringing you. The healing, the patience, again the patience. Okay, so maybe the lesson which this portal is trying to teach you is patience. So you were not having the patience. Again, number 5 is here, 23, the 5. So you were not having the patience, and this portal is teaching you the patience, how to keep the patience. Okay, so this portal is teaching you the lesson of patience, how to keep the patience. Okay, so that's the thing which is here. Okay, so let's see more messages from the Secret Indian Tarot deck. What are the oracle messages for you? Please give me the messages for fire signs. Please give me the message for fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Star. There is new hopes, new desires which are coming up for you. Beautiful. The Sun. Okay. So you are rising as a star, and star is all about new hopes, new desires, the healing. So there is new hopes, new desires which are coming up with the Sun. This is very beautiful combination here. 1515 is a recording reading time. Okay, this is new happy beginnings with new hopes, new desires which are coming up for you. This portal is bringing you new things, new hopes, new desires. Okay, so this is beautiful. Now let me see message from the fortune cookies. What is the message for fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius? Twists and turns and challenges. Okay, so carefully made plan could be thrown out of the window as major changes and interruptions are surrounding you, fire signs. Okay, make sure that you got lot of rest to cope up with the upheaval, that whatever twist and turns and challenges they are coming or you are facing, this is the time to take out from problems or conflicts or approach softly to making matter worse. So just handle these challenges, twists and turns carefully here, with patience, with the as an observer, that why this is happening. This is happening to teach you the patience lesson. Okay, so keep your patience. Okay, so now let me add the message from the keepers of light. Wow, Kalima. And Kalima is all about facing your fear. Wow, Lord Ganesha. Okay, these two are very beautiful and very powerful message here. Whatever obstacles are you facing here, obstacles are being removed and infinite abundance are coming here for you, fire signs, and spiritual support and connections are increasing. Okay, spiritual connections are increasing, as you know that there is a soulmate which is coming here. Okay, so there is Lord Ganesha which is with you. 1717 is a recording reading time, and Lord Ganesha is helping you out in removing all the obstacle. He is removing all the obstacles from your life. Okay, there is a spiritual support, spiritual connections which are increasing in your life. Okay, there's a lot of infinite abundance which is coming up for you. Next message for you is Kalima, and which is facing fear. Whatever fear you are having, and Kalima is making you do things so that you can face your fear. Okay, she is the goddess who will make you face your fears, and once you face your fear, once you overcome your fear, she is going to make beautiful rewards. She is going to give you, bless you the rewards of facing your fears. Okay, so making major spiritual changes are unfolding. This is your chance to soar. Face your fears. She is with you. Okay, so have patience and face your fears, and once you face your fears, you are going to get the blessings and the divine support here too, and your divine support is here. Okay, you are not alone. You have the divine support, the divine connections with you. So this is beautiful. Now let me add one message from the Moonology deck. Please give me message for fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please give me the message for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Believe in your good luck. First quarter moon in Sagittarius. Okay, and this is your crown chakra here. You have to believe in your good luck. Okay, maybe there is a Aries. I'm already doing Aries, Leo, Sagittarius reading, so this is a specific message here for Sagittarius, but for all fire signs, but there is a Sagittarius message particularly, that you have to believe in your good luck. Okay, So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Gateway of Oracle. Please give me one message for fire signs. What is the message you want me to deliver? Coming into power. I step up into my power boldly and confidently. You are coming into your full power. Okay, these challenges, these twists and turns, these fears are making you to come into your full divine light, full divine power. So this is very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the self-care. Plan a vacation. Plan a vacation. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire signs, you have to plan a vacation. Okay, go somewhere. Make a break. Okay, please give me the message for fire signs. Too many messages. Please give me the message for fire signs. Again too many messages. Okay, make a meal. Okay, again number 5 is here. 3 to 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. You can cook a meal, make a meal. Okay, that will help you out. And there is flow like a water. This is what flow like a water. Go with the flow, which was the message here, that you have to go with the flow. Things are coming your way, but right now you have to go with the flow. Okay, being in the flow of universe, flow like a water. Okay, just go with the flow here. Whatever is coming, just go with the flow. Go with the flow of universe. Okay, so that's the message here. Okay, now there is space. And again, the next message for you is chanting. Do the mantra chanting here. Number 8, Om mantra, or any mantra which you love. Okay, which feeds your soul, which connects you with the divine. You have to do the chanting here. The mantra chanting is important for you. Okay, 2222 is a recording reading time. Now let me add message from the Gateway of Light Oracle. Light activation. Your crown chakra is getting activated. I told you that. Okay, your crown chakra is getting activated. Now you can feel the divine connection here. Holy experiences, miracle energy, because your crown chakra is getting activated. This portal is making your crown chakra activate. Okay, so just be open. It's already been open, so now you can feel the divine connection, holy experiences, and miracle experience, miracle energy here. Okay, so thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the secret language of light. Please give me the message for fire signs. One message for fire sign. What is the message you want me to deliver? Too many messages. Please give me one message. Soul tree. Maybe you can see lot of mirror numbers these days, and if you are getting the mirror numbers, know that whatever you are doing, that is the mirror effect which is happening in your life. Okay, trees are filled with wisdom. You are becoming more connected to the nature. Trees are great holders of wisdom and knowledge. Next time you are near a tree, try asking it what it would like you to know, and listen with an open heart for an inspired response. Okay, trees like angels see and feel without judgment, and always emitting an eternal stream of love. So this is very beautiful. You can spend some time in nature around the trees and talk to the trees, and they will teach you, they will guide you, they will give you the important answers here. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the message. Okay, I have already added the message. Okay, yeah. Let me add one message from the fortune reading. What is happening in your reading? Patience. Okay. The message is patience. Your message is patience. Okay. Definitely your message is patience. Slow down, change your attitude and clear your mind, fire signs. You have to keep your patience. Okay. See, the patience message is here. Patience, patience, patience. Okay. So that's very important message for you, that you have to keep the patience. And this portal is making you understand the importance of patience. Okay. So now let me add some message from the tarot deck too. Please give me the messages for fire signs. What is the message you want me to deliver for fire signs? What is the message you want me to deliver for fire signs? What is the message you want me to deliver for fire signs? Okay, so let's see. What is the message for fire signs? Nine of Swords, Justice. You are spending sleepless nights. You cannot sleep at night. Okay. But there is a karmic justice which is going to come true, which is coming for you. This portal is bringing the karmic justice for you here, okay? And you are closing out the cycle. You are ending the cycle here with the World card. There is someone around you who is an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, okay? With whom there is a new passionate beginning which is going to start. This is your soulmate basically, I know. And that's the judgment which is making here, which is the this is the divine judgment, or you are making the decision or making the judgment here. But there is a new passionate beginning, the Ace of Wands, new passionate beginning which is starting between you and this person here, okay? This is your lovers, this is your soulmate, this is someone who knows how to manage finances. Maybe this person is financially stable or grounded, who, okay? So this is someone who know how to manage finances. The King of Pentacle is here, so maybe this is someone who is businessman, okay? But an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, that can also be a possibility here, okay? But this is your lovers, this is your soulmate, but your guards are up, your self-defensive mode is on with the Seven of Wands. But this is the new passionate beginning here, okay? So just be open to receive, okay? Because this is the divine judgment. This is the divine judgment here. You will come towards the karma waters, okay? Six of Swords. Be open to receive. And they are coming here. They are coming in this portal. Right now you cannot sleep at night here, okay? But things are ending here. Wow. Things are ending here. Death and rebirth, and the star is here again. New hopes, new desires are coming up here. Transformation is taking place. Your relationship is transforming into beautiful things, okay? So get out from this self-defensive mode, okay? Fire signs, I know you cannot sleep at night. I know things has happened in your life, but these things are making you grow on the spiritual level, okay? The Hierophant is here, so you are growing on a spiritual level, and you will come towards the karma waters with the Six of Swords, okay? There is communication. See, I told you this is your soulmate. Communication is coming towards you with the Eight of Wands, and here I'm having Queen of Pentacles here. And but you are holding back your energy with the Four of Pentacles. You are not ready to open up, okay, with this person. Maybe this person is trying to communicate with you, but you are not ready to open up. You're not ready to give your energy, not ready to talk, okay. Your self defensive mode is on. You're holding your energy very tightly here, but they are going to communicate with you. There's a lot of communication which is indicated, and you both belong to one another here. King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. So you both are someone who is financially stable, grounded. Maybe you both, or some maybe you love rabbit, or this person loves rabbit or dog. But this is your soulmate here. Can you see? This is the divine counterparts, the divine pairs. So this is beautiful. This is your soulmate. This is someone with whom you both are, with whom you have to spend your whole life. You both belong to one another, okay. You both are made for one another, I can say that. So this is what I am having here for you, fire signs. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love, healing light and happy energies. And if you want to tell me anything, you can also let me know in the comment section. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.